Internal training is essential to achieve and maintain a compliant, effective, and efficient quality system. PathWise instructor-led training courses help simplify necessary concepts and processes, ensuring a quality system program that conforms to industry and regulatory standards. PathWise will come to your site and customize the training to illustrate challenges within your organization and address your individual needs and priorities. We use your internal quality documents or process to maximize the learning experience and optimize retention. Learners are able to practice and apply the principles taught within the safety of a classroom environment, receiving real-time feedback and engaging in productive dialogue with the instructor and other course attendees. The instructor then has the ability to modify the approach to meet the specific needs of the classroom participants. Our training is more than just a boring PowerPoint. We use interactive groups, case studies, discussion, real-world scenarios, and learners bring examples from their own organization to reinforce the concepts being taught. PathWise instructor-led courses cover topics such as investigations, corrective and preventive action, technical writing, quality risk management, and more to support your quality system activities and meet customer and regulatory requirements.